Let's learn about working with talking head video. I'm going to start a new project. I have a clip that I recorded talking about fun facts about bees that we'll be using. Feel free to use your own footage, record something on your mobile phone, and import it to play around with it. So first, after I add this, the first thing you might want to do is auto-generate captions. We know for social media videos, people love listening to captions. So before I even do that, I'm actually going to trim the beginning of this video until I start talking. And then I'm also going to go to the end of the video and trim the end till right after I'm done talking. And I needed to comb my hair before this clip. So to auto-generate captions, that's going to be in our title or text menu. So tap that and then choose Auto Captions. Here we have all sorts of options. If you have multiple clips, you would select all, so generate from all. Or if you created a voiceover, recorded that voiceover track, you can do that. But here we're just generating it from this video. Then you'll want to choose a template. So here we have, again, pro templates, or some basic ones, or no template, which will just make it some basic text. I'm going to choose this one here and then tap generate. While that generates, there were a couple more options for removing filler words automatically and bilingual transcription or captioning with the pro features. But now you can see that all of these clips. Here are some fun facts about bees. Did you know that bees are now captioned? Very cool. So people listening to this video, watching this video on silent can still figure out what it's about. We can go in here and edit any of these titles just like any other title card by editing the text, the style. If there's a mistake in the word, you can edit all of that after the fact too.